everyone, and welcome back to Nana Joe's Kitchen. We're going to continue with our Thanksgiving series, and this is recipe number 2. We're making a creamy, cheesy macaroni and cheese. I mean, who doesn't love macaroni and cheese? So come on, let's go. We're going to begin by melting 4 tablespoons of butter. I'm also going to saute about a quarter piece of onion and 3 garlic cloves. I like my macaroni and cheese to be super garlicky. We're going to move everything around for about 2 minutes until your kitchen starts smelling amazing of garlic. Can you tell I love garlic? Now we're going to go in here with 4 tablespoons of flour, and then we're going to whisk everything, cooking out the flour taste. It's going to take about another 2 to 3 minutes. I'm going to go in here with 3 cups of whole milk, and we're also going to do 1 cup of heavy cream. I noticed that when I use way too much fat for my macaroni and cheese, it becomes clumpy. So that's the reason why I'm using milk instead of just all heavy cream. Then we're going to season it up with a Cajun seasoning, but you can use whatever you want. Salt and pepper if that's what you like. But again, it'll be a little bit on the bland side. For my cheeses, I'm going to use a block of each Colby, whatever, the yellow and white cheese, sharp cheddar cheese, and mozzarella. My secret ingredient is a little bit of mustard or a little bit of turmeric powder just to make that macaroni and cheese bright orange. I'm also going to add 2 ounces of cream cheese, and then we're going to mix everything together. In the meantime, we're going to cook the pasta. Anyways, I like to use the macaroni and cheese that has the little crevices in between the elbows. That way the sauce goes in there and everything's nice and cheesy. I forgot to mention that for the sauce, you're only going to use half of those blocks of cheeses that we shredded. The other half we're going to use to layer in between the macaroni. Kind of like a macaroni lasagna, you're going to add noodles, sauce, cheese. Noodles, sauce, cheese. You see the little crevices or the little lines on the macaroni? That's the one you want to use. Now, I like to layer my cheese like this because it gives the macaroni a nice cheese pull. And I'm all about the cheese pulls here. Now, for the last layer, I like to add the cheese on the top. That way, when we pop it in the oven, it forms a nice crust. We're going to put it in there for 350 degrees until there's a nice crust, like I mentioned. It's going to be bubbly. It's going to be hot. It's going to be delicious. All you have to do now is just garnish with a little bit of green onions and your macaroni is ready. And there you have it, guys. This is recipe number 2 for our Thanksgiving series. If you're liking this series, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Follow me on everything, and I hope you like this recipe. Bye!